Hey, what's up everybody? It's Isaac with the Butcher Shop again. Got some parts in. Got the CPP master cylinder and brake booster. Try and pop that in today. Got some stuff from Amazon. Some fittings. And I got the brake line in. We're gonna have to run all new brake lines. I already took the old master cylinder off here. It's a 2-bolt, or yeah, it was a 2-bolt. The other one that we're putting in here is a 3-bolt. It's got these studs on here. These two right here. I tried to hammer them out, but I think they're pressed inside there. I think we're gonna have to take the pedal assembly out, and then we'll have to drill another hole right in here somewhere. But that's that. On the rear axle, I put the wheels on already. Well, this side anyways, just to see what it looked like. I put the differential fluid back in. Strained it, of course. So, and in order to take the pedal assembly out of here, I think I got to take those U-joints, or whatever they call them, DD fittings or U-joints, whatever. The steering column has to come back out. So, I don't know if we'll be able to get to making the lines. When I did order the rear brakes for the car, CPP sent me new brake lines for it, so that's kind of a win for the rear axle. So that's already been up and ready to go on. It's just the single one coming from the back to the front, and then the front ones. But I'm not sure how far we're gonna get on that today. So let me try and get that pedal assembly out of there. Well, steering column and the pedal assembly. And then and we'll be back at it. Come on, man. Okay. Oh, got that out. All right. Over here. These two bolts need to come off. Yeah, and they're pressed on there. See, I was kind of bending this ear, so I was trying to hit it out. Well. Bolt up to the other side, to the top anyways. Let's get this in there. Alright, we'll put this back in the car. Actually, I might put some rust, takes rust, converts it to primer, is what it says anyway. It's like a Permatex, made by Permatex anyways. But it looks like it's froze. I mean, I think I got down to like 16 last night, so no, we'll do that. I'll go to paint the car. Put it back in there for now. I think we have to actually put the emergency cables on first. Emergency brake. Enough. And then I think it'll go through. See, this is the old one. It's going to go up and through here. That's where it holds it. But I don't know. It's got two of them. I'll probably have to read on it. But we'll just put them on there for now, and then we'll get the hoses on. We'll get the lines on this axle. Not so much room underneath here. There. We'll get the hoses on here. Run the lines on here. Oh, I forgot to put... Oh, man. I filled this diff up. I didn't put the new screws in. Bolts in. Let me grab that. Let's get that. Put all these on. And then we'll get back on the brakes. Gotcha. See, there's a little clip. You got to pull this spring back, push this hose where it needs to go up inside there, and then put the C-clip on it. But I'm having some trouble here. I don't know if you can see from there or not. Okay. Woo. Okay. So I think we're done right now with the brakes until I get this rubber line that goes from here to right there. Let's see if I can adjust these brake cables. I think they're just supposed to go right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, I think they're just supposed to go to right there, which doesn't need to be that long. Well, that one, the passenger side does, but the driver's side, I don't think so. Yeah, let me see if I can get this, and then I have to go back to the directions, so I don't want to cut these too short, and then I don't know, I don't want to cut them too short and have to rebuy them. I'll be back. Let's let me get your figure out here. Okay. Let's see, this is gonna rub in there, and then as soon as you pull on it, this is gonna hit here. So maybe this shouldn't have been here, but it's there now, and I have to have that. Because it's part of the frame that I added on. Maybe if I keep it, well, I don't know, how much does this have to pull? Didn't have to pull very. All right, well, I kind of lied. Said we were going to jump on the front brakes, but I took a break real quick, and that parking brake was just eating at me. So what I did was I cut the whole bracket off, and then I just lowered it. So now it's like ½ inch or so, and it is going to rub a little bit right in here, but I think if I like weld a washer or something right in there to keep it away. But all in all, that's it. Nice and strong. Yeah, like I said, it was just eating at me, so I came back out and fix that part. It's all good. These are nice and tight now, and they're not wobbling around or any of that. So with that being said, I think I gotta get something to eat. I'm starving. I didn't get a chance to put in the steering column. Actually, after I get something to eat, I may come back out and put the steering column back in and get all that put back together. So either I will be back or I will have another video. Thanks, guys.